Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Verma and today I am going to introduce a new library pyqrcode in Python. So pyqrcode module is a QR code generator that is simple to use and written in pure Python. The aim of introducing this library is because we can with the help of this QR code we can generate our own our own QR code for my Facebook ID, for LinkedIn ID, for GitHub ID. So we can use this QR code in my website, and also we can create our website's QR code for any advertisement. So let's start with installing this library. So for installing this library, I'm using pip install pyqrcode. Along with this, I am also using pypng library to download your QR code as PNG file. So let's run this two line of code. So I already installed this two libraries, so it show me all condition also already satisfied, something like this. Yeah, let's wait. Okay, it already shows me requirement already satisfied. Now let's import these two library in our Python module. So for this I'm using just import pyqrcode, and second import png. Png is for saving our QR code as PNG file. Now here I'm just copy and paste our LinkedIn URID as a string. So from my LinkedIn profile I'm just copy my URL from there and just paste it as a string function. So this is my LinkedIn URID as a string, and by using create function of pyqrcode pure library, I'm passing this QR string in this create function. So pyqrcode.create, I'm just passing QR string, which is the LinkedIn URL ID. Now let's run this line of code. Okay. Now I'm just printing my QR code in my terminal. So here you can see that this is my QR code. So here I'm just using background is equal to yellow. So you can change this background according to your requirement. For background is equal to red, and background is equal to like green. So you can change it according to your resume format, according to your website format. So with the help of this line of code you can create your own stylish QR code, and you can also remove its background color, means background outline. So with the help of this function parameter you can change your background outline to make your QR code interactive. Now to view your QR code as a simple and in PNG format, you just run url.show. So with the help of this line of code you can see your QR code in your photo application in your operating system. So this is my QR code in my photo application, and now you can save this QR code as a PNG file. So I'm using PNG function from this import PNG library to save my QR code. So you can see that this is my QR code as a PNG file. So now you can use this PNG QR code in your resume, in your website, also so many platforms, using this library to show the Python power. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks.